Hi friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare capsicum sambar. In this capsicum sambar we normally use just the capsicum, but today my mother also added brinjal to this. Either ways it tasted excellent. It's very simple to prepare. The ingredients that we require for this recipe is capsicum. So the capsicum we have washed thoroughly, de-seeded, removed the cap part, and we have chopped it into cubes. We would also require roughly chopped onion, curry leaves, and green chilies which is slit. Normally if we chop a brinjal it will start turning dark in color, so that's the reason we have cut it into quarter pieces and we have placed it in a tub of water. And we'll also require cooked pigeon peas. This dal already contains little bit of turmeric powder, some asafoetida. So while we are cooking the dal, we also cook the tomato. We need to remove the skin of this tomato and add it to the sambar. So the tomato is also cooked along with the dal in the pressure cooker. For tempering the dal, we would require mustard seeds, cumin seeds, urud dal, that is black gram, little bit of methi, and 2 dried red chilies, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tamarind pulp, and we'll also be adding chili powder, turmeric powder, and coriander powder. The list of ingredients used in the recipe along with measurements will be in the description box below this video. Or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. On my blog there is all these measurements listed along with the recipe. Now I'm going to start preparing the sambar. I've heated a heavy bottom pressure cooker or the pressure pan, and to the pressure pan I've added oil. Now today I'm using sunflower oil. Normally we use sesame oil to prepare sambar, especially in South. It's either going to be sesame oil or peanut oil. Now once the oil has heated, I've added the urud dal, methi, that is fenugreek seeds, mustard, little bit of jeera and the dried red chilies, and I'm going to allow this to splutter because this is going to flavor our oil and sambar. So once all these ingredients splutter and it starts to change color, that point I've added asafoetida. Asafoetida enhances the flavor and it gives a very good rich taste. I've also added the chopped onion, curry leaves, and chilies, slit chilies. I'm going to fry it on slow flame. In the meantime, I'm just going to start peeling the tomato. I'll remove the skin and also extract little bit pulp from the skin and reserve it because we need to add this tomato to the onion. Now the onion has started to change into transparent color. At that point, I'm just going to squeeze the tomato and add it to the onion, and we'll be frying this further. If you want to chop and add, you can add it, but this is very rustic way I'm preparing. This is how we prepare at home, and in many South Indian Tamil homes we prepare it. So once the tomato is added, I'm just going to use the spoon and just break it up and fry it in the onion. I'll also be adding the capsicum, the brinjal, chili powder, turmeric powder, and coriander powder, and salt as per taste. We need to cook the vegetable in this masala. The recipe in detail is posted in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. I've got many recipes and reviews on my blog along with this recipe. Also, like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. All my social media handle links will also be in the description box below this video. The same recipes are translated and posted in YouTube channel. YouTube channel link will also be in the description box below this video. Now I've just fried the capsicum and brinjal for a minute. and I've added the water because we need to cook this vegetable down. So I've added roughly about 2.5 cups of water. We'll cover this and allow the vegetable to cook. Now at this point my vegetable has cooked. I've added the dal, cooked dal. It roughly took about 10 to 15 minutes for the vegetable to cook on medium flame. So once you add the dal, you just have to check how much watery you want your sambar and add extra water, and also check for salt, add salt if needed. I've also added the tamarind pulp, and now I'm just adjusting the water, and I'm just going to allow this sambar to boil and reduce a bit. We need the sambar to be watery. Now once the sambar has boiled and once the sambar is starting to boil and it is started to reduce, at that point I'll add the coriander leaves. The sambar is done. I'm just going to go ahead and serve it. So serve this hot with steam cooked rice. You can serve it with papads. This is a simple sambar recipe which you can prepare anywhere in the world because you've got your eggplant and capsicum which is available throughout the world. So do try this simple sambar recipe and post your comments. If you enjoyed watching this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. All the links to the social media and the blog link along with the recipe will be in the description box below this video. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.